In this video, I'm going to show you several different steps that'll hopefully fix an issue where your iPhone is not ringing for incoming calls. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the first thing we need to do is make sure that our iPhone is not in Do Not Disturb mode. We can easily do that by simply swiping down from the top right to open the control menu. And then right there, you should see this little bubble that has your current focus mode. If it's on Do Not Disturb, where the moon is actually white, select that, and then you will have turned it off. You can select into it and see what's available and what's selected currently. If nothing's selected, then you're good. So now that we've turned off Do Not Disturb mode, if your phone is still not ringing for incoming calls, the next thing we need to do is make sure that we do not have it in silent mode. So by default on newer iPhones, you'll have a little button on the left side. If you hold that down, it'll switch from ring mode to silent mode. So make sure that it's switched to ring mode. On older iPhones, this will look like a little switch. So it's kind of hard to see, but you just switch it up and you'll see it switch from silent mode off to silent mode on. So you want to turn off silent mode. So once you have it set to ring mode or silent mode off, you should start hearing the ring for incoming calls. Now, if it's still not ringing, we can go into the settings and check the volume of the ringer. So once you get into the settings, scroll down, then just go to sound and haptics. And we just want to go to ringtone and alerts. And you just want to make sure that that's turned up. If you have it changed with buttons, then when you hit the buttons, it'll change that as well. But I like to turn it off so that I can't change it with the buttons. The buttons only control like media volumes. So you can turn this up as loud as you want. And then there you go. You should start hearing the ringing for incoming calls. You'll also be able to see if you're in silent mode or not. Now, if it's still not ringing for incoming calls, there's one extra setting we can make. So just go back to the main area of the settings and scroll all the way to the bottom, select apps. And once you get in apps, just search at the bottom for phone. Now, once you get in phone, scroll down almost all the way, and you'll see a section right here called call filtering. And if you have unknown callers filtered, then your phone will not ring for people that you don't have as contacts. So you just want to turn that off, and then any unknown callers will ring on your iPhone. So hopefully those steps fixed your phone not ringing for incoming calls. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.